YouTube. Another unboxing. Got the AMD Ryzen 5. Best budget CPU on the market. Best budget gaming CPU. Best budget video editing CPU. Best budget live streaming CPU. All in one. So let's get right into it. Ooh, we got a sticker. Ooh, let me grab a knife for that. I'll fast forward this. This is one shot, one take, baby. Yeah, it's a 6-core processor. It comes at 3.5 gigahertz base, which is pretty good, honestly, for the price. And I think it says on here you can max boost it to 3.9 gigahertz, but I'm pretty sure you can go up to 4.2 from what I have read online. AMD Ryzen 5 2600. Let's get right into it. So this is the box. What comes in the box? Manual up at top. Ooh. So we got the manual, the instructions to installing this thing on your motherboard. It's pretty simple, honestly. Just watch any YouTube video. Building a computer is not that complicated. And here we go. So we got the random packaging in there. That focus. Here it is, the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. Comes with a sticker. Put that on your computer, if you did not know. And in this box we have the fan, the stock fan that it comes with. You know, it's decent, gets the job done. If you're in a budget, it's better than nothing. Does not come with the thermal paste, but I think you can still, it is still sticky. You can put it on there. Nothing else in this box, just more random packaging. And then this box, the AMD box, is completely empty as well. Let me put this aside. And here we go, the AMD Ryzen 5. Ladies and gentlemen, so you do not want to touch this at all, so I'll try avoiding touching that. Here we go. This is the CPU. Again, one of the best budget CPUs on the market. Not one of the best, I think the best budget CPU on the market that allows you to live stream, edit videos, render videos, and game all titles at Ultra 180p. Obviously, you're going to need a graphics card to go with this. I suggest get the 10 gigabyte 1650 GDDR6. But here's the AMD Ryzen 5. I believe it's around $120 on Amazon, 120 US. So I'll leave a link down below to where you can check out more info and check out the pricing. Hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.